In this video, we will explore the AI-enhanced Windows Paint app that comes with Lenovo Copilot Plus PCs. First, let's have a look at the Co-Creator feature, which is a part of the Windows Paint app. Click on the Copilot logo drop-down in the upper right of the screen, then select Co-Creator. For this project, let's say we want to draw a pink cat. Start by typing pink cat in the Co-Creator prompt text bar. Then, start drawing a cat on the canvas on the left part of the screen. The Co-Creator feature will generate artwork based on your input as you draw. Move the Creativity slider to adjust the amount of AI input on your art. A lower setting on the slider means the result will be closer to your sketch, and a higher setting means the result will have more AI input. Another AI feature added to the Windows Paint app is Object Select. Import the image that you want to use, then click on the Copilot icon in the ribbon menu and select Object Select. Click on the object from the image that you want to select. Bounding lines will appear around the object to highlight that it has been selected. Once the object is selected, you can copy, crop, invert the selection, or use generative erase. The sticker generator uses AI to create custom and fun stickers using a simple text prompt. You can then include these stickers in your artwork. Using generative erase, you can remove parts of your artwork while preserving the background. Use the brush to select the parts you want to exclude. Wait for the processing to be done, and your artwork will be updated accordingly. The Remove Background feature lets you remove the background from your artwork while preserving the rest of the image. To learn more about your Lenovo AI PC, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.